Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to change voice pitch in CapCut. So first you will obviously need to have a recording of a sound, either just a recording of your voice or a video with sound. So if you have the voice in the video, you're gonna click on the video, or you're just gonna click on the track where the voice is. So you have a few options here. First, you have this voice changer option on the top right corner, and you will be able to see multiple voice profiles you can choose from. Most of them is only available with the Pro version, but if you want to make the voice pitch lower or higher, you basically have a low profile here. For example, you just need to click on that and it's gonna be downloaded. If you don't clear the cache, it's gonna stay downloaded and it's gonna be faster to use this specific voice. The pitch is low, and you can also change the intensity, like you can change the pitch and you can change the timbre, so you can hear the difference as you are playing the recording and adjusting these values. You also have a high profile, and you have a lot of options if you use the Pro version. And you also have these voice characters here, which is basically voices of different kind of people, or there are like queen or elf voices. But if you want to change the pitch of your voice, you're just gonna use these voice filters and choose either the high or deep or low voices and just play around with the pitch and the timbre. Alright, so all in all, this is how to change voice pitch in CapCut PC. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.